Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. My name is Hazel Vera Quijano, 37 years of age, married to Mr. Michael Lasso Quijano, a mother of a one child, a 3 years old boy. I am a college graduate. I have one brother and one sister. I am the number three siblings in my family. I describe myself as a person. I am honest, trustworthy, and I can work less for a vision. My work experience here in Philippines is caring a 10 years old and a 3 years old children. I cook food 3 times a day and cleaning the house. I want to work Hong Kong because the salary is higher than in the Philippines so that I can give better support or financial support for the needs of my family and also for the education of my son. My husband can take care of my son while I am working Hong Kong. I know how to cook a Filipino food like pasta, spaghetti, macaroni salad, and chicken curry. I am willing to learn how to cook a Chinese food. I am willing to learn how to wash the car. I am willing to get up early and sleep late at night. I am willing to take care healthy elderly person. I am willing to take care children and a newborn babies. If the baby is not feeling well, I will check the body temperature and inform my employer immediately. I know how to sing a nursery rhyme. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. My message to my future employer, I am excited to work with you and I promise I will be nice, honest, and good helper to your family. Thank you and God bless.